Imagine a desktop that fits in the palm of your hand, yet can handle almost anything you throw at it. Sounds impossible? Well, Acer just made it real. In this video, we're diving into Acer's brand new Chromebox CX16. It's small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful, but there's one feature that might just completely change how you think about mini PCs. Stick around because you won't see this coming. So let's start with the basics. The Chromebox CX16 is Acer's latest ChromeOS mini PC, and it was just unveiled at IFA 2025. What makes it stand out? First, its processors. You can configure it with anything from an Intel Core 3 100U up to the powerhouse Core 7 150U. Pair that with up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and you've got a machine that punches well above its size. Storage is handled via an M.2 SSD, starting at 256 gigabytes, and while Acer hasn't said the maximum officially, tech enthusiasts are already speculating you could easily go up to 1 terabyte. Connectivity is surprisingly versatile for a mini PC. You get USB-C, 3 USB-A ports, DisplayPort, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, plus Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Oh, and for small workspace setups, the VESA mounting support makes it perfect for wall mounting behind a monitor or tucking it neatly out of sight. But what about businesses? That's where the enterprise version steps in. It adds higher security, easier management tools, and more flexible access options. Perfect for offices that need ChromeOS efficiency without compromising on control. Now, here's the thing. Despite all this, Acer's starting the base model at just €299 in Europe, roughly $348. The Enterprise Edition starts at $399 or around $464. That's remarkably competitive for a mini PC with these specs and connectivity options. And here's the kicker. The Chromebox CX16 isn't just for office or casual use. Thanks to its compact size, high-speed ports, and powerful processor options, this little ChromeOS box could actually replace your bulky desktop for everyday tasks, and even some light creative work or streaming setups. It's a tiny powerhouse with a surprisingly big impact. So, if you're looking for a compact, affordable, and capable mini PC, the Acer Chromebox CX16 might just be the device you didn't know you needed. And don't forget to check the link in the description for the full spec sheet and pricing info. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we'll be covering more IFA 2025 releases coming up.